So today we are going to discuss public administration, meaning, nature, scope and importance. Public administration as independent subject of a social science has recent origin. Traditionally, public administration was considered as a part of political science. The modern political system is essentially bureaucratic and characterized by the rule of official. The administrative branch described the civil services of bureaucracy is the most significant component of the government machinery of the state. So, public administration is commonly divided into two types of public and private administration. It is important to understand the functioning of administration for on the lives of the understanding the government. So, public administration is an activity which is as old as social life itself. There was a large content of administration in the ancient civilization of Egypt, China, and India. Kautilya's Arthashastra, Aristotle Politics, and Machiavelli Prince have a direct concern with administration. In its modern form, the term public administration was used in 17th century Europe to identify and separate the absolute monarchs of administration. So, main objective of public administration. Today, every aspect of human life is within the range of public administration. In modern age, it become the dominant factor of life. To study cover the meaning, scope, nature, and importance of public administration is the main objective of this topic. Meaning of public administration. Administration is an English word which is originated from Latin word ad administers. It means to serve over to manage. Administration means management of affairs, public over private. According to Simon, public administration is meant the activity of the executive branches of the national, state, and local government. According to Luther Gulick, public administration is that part of the science of administration which has to do with government and thus concern itself primarily with the executive branches where the work of the government is done. According to Waldo, public administration is the art and science of management as applied to the affairs of the state. Broadly divided five phases of the growth of public administration. First period 1887 to 1926, second period 1927 to 1937, third period 1938 to 1947, fourth period 1948 to 1970, fifth period start with 1971 to at present. Nature of public administration. Two divergent views in the nature of public administration. Firstly, managerial view. Second is integral view. So, managerial view, the management of the work, all the activities, and the managerial views, the administration has the functioning of planning, program, and organize all the activity is an organization so as to achieve the desired ends. According to Gulick, he said that administration has to do with the getting things done with the accomplishment of the definite, defined objective. Integral view. Integral view of public administration is a sum total of all the activity undertaken in pursuit of and in fulfillment of public policy. These activities include not only managerial and technical but also manual and clerical. Scope of public administration. The scope of public administration Is while reviewing the scope of public administration, we come across the two set of views. Firstly, broader view and other is narrow view. And also prevailing view is very important to public administration. But we discuss only two view, broader view and narrow view. Broader view, according to public administration, covers all the three branches of the government. It is also called subject matter view or the integral view. In this view, the study of public administration is conceptualized to include the areas of activity of all their three branches of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. It refers to all the activity undertaken for the implementation of all public policy, civil as well as military. This scope becomes ambiguous and highly wide. Next, narrow view. It is also known as managerial view or the post-corrupt view. It lays down that the scope of public administration is concerned only with the executive branches of the government at all the level, national, state, and local level. Public administration only involves the managerial activity which coordinate and control the activity of public officials and its engaged and implementation of public policy. Luther Gulick sum up the scope of the subject by the words post-scope, and each of its letter refers to the particular area of the scope of public administration. So we discuss first area means planning. So planning is a very important of public administration. It's a broad outline, the things to be done, the method to be adopted for the accomplishing of purpose. Second view, organization means the establishment of a formal structure of authority, though the work subdivided arrangement of the coordination. Thirdly, staffing. It means appointing suitable person to various posts, their training and importance of work. Directing. It means making a decision and issuing order, thus guidelines of the enterprises. Coordination means integrating the work, various divisions, sections, and other factors. Reporting. Reporting means informing the agency to whom the executive is responsible of what is going on. Lastly, budgeting means all that goes in the form of fiscal planning, accounting, and financial control. Importance of public administration in modern time. In today's modern state and in developing countries, functions and role of public administration is very important. The role and importance of public administration are as follow. Firstly, it is the basis of government. All government work in public administration and it is an instrument change in the society. Public administration acts as the agent of change, first by helping political executive in its policy making, decision making functions, and by the faithful implementing the approved public policy. It is a key instrument of modernization and development. Next is instrument for the attainment of policy, economic, social, and cultural goals. Public administration plays an important role in the securing political, economic, social, cultural goals and laid down the public policy, decisions, rule, regulations, and laws. Utility of public administration. The public administration is very important subject at present time. So its main utility is the public administration and the agencies and governments work in the order. Utility of public administration in planning. Public administration adopted planning as a strategy for development. It plays a key role of implementing all the developmental planning of the all government policy as an instrument of social harmony in every society, particularly in the ethnical pluralist society like India, one where are the several different types of the classes, race, religion, caste. So public administration maintain the cordial relations among different classes of the people. It's a preserve, protect, and defense of the social harmony means to give services and protection. It provides protection and relief of the people in wake a social epidemic, natural calamity, riots, and violence. Bring efficiency and economy in administration. It is understand to responsibility carrying out of the approved plan target and efficiency and efficient economy. So finally, today we conclude. Today, every aspect of human life come with the range of public administration, various departments of government such as education, social welfare, food, agriculture, health, sanitation, transportation, communication are run by the Department of Public Administration. Thus, public administration is rendering various type of services to the public from birth to death of an individual. So, public administration, we conclude that public administration is an instrument of the two blade, like a pair of the scissors. One blade may be the knowledge of the field of covered by post-curve theory, and another blade may be knowledge of subject matter to which these techniques are applied. Both blades must be good to make an efficient tools. In short, all activity involved in the attainment of the good and happy life fall with the scope of public administration.